Good day, everyone. Today, I want to share a personal story about a time when I learned an important lesson about self-worth through my studies. Last quarter, I worked really hard on my school subjects. I studied late into the night, trying to understand everything I could for my exams. I felt confident and thought I would do well. But when the exam results came back, I was disappointed. I didn't score as high as I had hoped. It felt like all my efforts had been wasted and I started to doubt my abilities. I thought, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. And it felt like I was crumbling inside, just like a piece of paper that gets tossed aside. That moment of disappointment, I remembered a simple truth. I took out a 50 peso bill from my pocket and held it up. I thought, if I fold this bill, does it lose its value? The answer is no. If I crumple it up or step on it, does it become any less valuable? Again, no. No matter what happens to this bill, it remains worth 50 pesos. That realization hit me hard, just like that 50 peso bill. No matter how many times I feel crumpled or defeated in my studies, my worth as a person doesn't change. I learned that my value isn't determined by a single exam or lesson. It's about who I am and the potential I have inside me. As students, we often find ourselves feeling insecure and comparing our progress to others. It's easy to think that our words come from grades or achievements. But remember, even when you feel crumpled by challenges or setbacks, your worth stays the same. Self-doubt is something we all face. It whispers to us saying we're not good enough or we can't succeed. I still hear that voice sometimes, but I remind myself of the 50 peso bill. I replace thoughts with positive ones like I can learn from my mistakes or I am capable of improving. This process of discovering my self-worth has helped me silence those doubts. Building confidence or studies takes practice just like working out a muscle. Start with small goals in your lessons and celebrate each little success. Every time you understand a concept or improve your skills, you prove to yourself that you are valuable and capable. And don't focus on others. Their journey is theirs and yours is yours. As I wrap up my talk today, I want to keep you that 50 peso bill in mind. Even when it's folded, crumpled, or stepped on, it still holds its value. You are like that bill. Your worth does not change, no matter what life throws at you. Always remember, you are enough just as you are. Thank you for listening. Even when life crumples you, your value never fades.